YouTube, I just went out to get the mail, and I got it. I have my hand right here to cover my address, but sorry, that's my Wii. I haven't just turned it on. So let's get it open. Alright, I didn't bring any scissors. Did I? I have scissors in here. I have scissors in here too. Yeah, sorry about this. Probably should have gotten before I started the video. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so you look inside, see, barely see at least. So you reach inside. See the game, and nothing else, just the game. Okay, and yeah, there's the manual and everything else. I'm not going to go underneath that because it just came with everything. That game was upside down. I think that's hilarious. So, it looks good. And I'll show some gameplay of this here.